place and safer country for those people who, are in danger. So,
Yeah. But let's do the real police work. Leave the entertainers alone because everybody knows Kippridge, and everybody knows Kippridge is not involved in any kind of this, right? So that is one of those fake news headlines that they're looking to try and like if they're doing some work. Big up to those who are doing the real work, though, like you said, yeah?
Yeah, same way.
Now, Vybz Kartel has been busy. Of course, he got his visa, and he was at the Grammy Awards. He stopped in Florida, where he was on the Drink Champs.
Yes. He went on to LA to walk the red carpet.
And then, was it that way, or was that? I think he was on the way back afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now he's in London.
London, how lovely.
He went to visit Charles.
I say, yeah, big him up, letting him free.
Yeah. The Privy Council, yeah, you had to make a special visit, yeah. You gotta do some dubs for them.
Well, the Dancehall Hero, Vybz Kartel, will receive the Music of Black Origin, or the MOBO Impact Award.
Is that what that means?
Yeah.
All of this time, I'm just mobile. Oh, it means something?
Music of Black Origin.
Music of Black Origin. Yeah. Isn't that, why doesn't it say all music then?
Oh,
just say all music.
Tell me about it. Well, this amazing award will be given to him at the ceremony on February the 18th in Newcastle at the